Unbox and set up the HP ScanJet Pro 4200 S1 scanner series. Step 1. Unbox the scanner. On a flat, stable surface, open the box and remove the scanner, the setup guide, and all of the cables that are included. Remove all tape and packing material from the scanner. Step 2. Power on the scanner. Connect the power cable to the AC adapter. Then plug one end into a power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. A green LED lights up on the AC adapter, indicating that there is power. Plug the power supply into the back of the scanner. Press the power button to power on the scanner. Step 3. Connect the USB cable. For Mac computers, connect the USB cable to the computer and scanner now. For Windows computers, don't connect the USB cable yet. You will be prompted to connect it during the software install. Step 4. Install the scanner software. On your computer, go to hp.com/support. Select Software and Drivers. Select Printers. In the search field, search for and select your scanner model. Select the option to download the full feature software and driver. Once it has downloaded, open the software file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. For Windows computers, you will be instructed when to connect the USB cable. Once you have completed the prompts, the scanner setup is complete.